Celebrate Australian performance at its finest with the 2017 Holden Commodore SSV Redline, the ultimate expression of power and heritage. Under the bonnet sits a legendary 6.2-litre V8, paired with a smooth 6-speed sports automatic, delivering raw performance and that unmistakable Holden roar. The SSV Redline combines muscle with refinement, Brembo brakes, sport-tuned suspension, and precision handling built for true drivers. Inside, premium finishes, modern tech, and comfort meet pure performance spirit. Iconic, powerful, and proudly Australian, the 2017 Commodore SSV Redline is more than a car, it's a piece of history that still turns heads. Own the legend.